Hi, good morning, Maria. Um, Let me try to explain the open issues with a short video here. Um, the first one was, set a resource, thing which is set a resource. So the problem is here, if you want to tag a resource, which is a document or a video or a web page or whatever, you have to drag and drop it over to the tagging widget, or you can also use one of the shared collections. So for example in this case, so you can tag it, but if you do not tag it if you do not provide a resource to the tagging widget somehow, either by drag and drop or by using the collection widget or the search, it allows similar functionality, which is most likely the case when you just started this sidebar. So let me restart it. Then the tagging widget provides an error message. This is set a resource. Yeah, which means you have to set a resource over here. Okay, hope this is makes it clearer. Yeah, then fail to load system text, fail to load all system text, fail to load all narrow text. I mean, this is clearly an issue also of wording. So this is so here we are talking about the facets provided by the by the search widget, and these facets here on the left hand side are twofold. On the one hand, they are user created, so this is especially the upper part here with Berwick, Trends, CPD, target use support, and so on. But then there is a second white space. But then there is a second category, which is maturing indicators. So these maturing indicators are internally called system tags. And of course, in case of an error, it might be possible that these maturing indicators cannot be loaded. Same for the user tags, which refers to all narrower tags. So all narrow tags are the user tags. So the question is, on the one hand, how can we rename it to have a more user-friendly or better understandable wording here? And on the other hand, of course, this is part of an error message in case they couldn't be loaded. So hope this makes it clearer here. Then collection widget. Yeah, here we have this was a hint you can use Dennis for test purposes. Was initially provided really for testing purposes to have a username which is working in case we're just giving it away and for demonstration purposes, for internal demonstration purposes. So I would completely delete that. And previewer, no text. There was the possibility. To include text messages here, so in the collections, and the previewer, so which is showing a preview of the content, could also show this texts. and allowed to edit it and so on. At the moment, it's not possible to include texts, but maybe we include it in a later version again. So this is part of an error message, what you mentioned here. In case no text is given for some reason, the previewer has to show that nothing is there. Yeah, that's it. Hope this answers your questions, and thanks for your thanks for the work you are doing here for translation.